Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Emma.
And my name is Ben.
Hello, friends. We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, today we have a fun topic. We're going to talk about weird English idioms and expressions.
That's right. Idioms are small phrases or expressions that don't always mean what the words say.
Exactly. Idioms are sometimes very strange, but people use them all the time in daily English.
And if you learn idioms, you will sound more natural and understand English better.
Okay, Ben, let's start with one very famous idiom. It's raining cats and dogs.
Yes. Imagine cats and dogs falling from the sky. Of course, it doesn't really mean that.
Right. The idiom means it's raining a lot. It's raining very heavily.
For example, if I look outside and I see strong rain, I can say, "Wow, it's raining cats and dogs today."
That's right. Let's practice with our listeners. Friends, repeat after me. It's raining cats and dogs.
Good job. Now, Emma, do you know where this idiom comes from?
Well, some people say in Old England, the streets were dirty, and after heavy rain, dead animals would wash up. So people started saying this strange phrase.
That's a little sad, but now we just use it as a funny expression for heavy rain.
Let's try another idiom, break a leg.
Yes, when someone says break a leg, they are not wishing you bad luck.
Exactly. Break a leg actually means good luck. Do your best. I hope you succeed.
For example, if Emma is going to sing on stage, I can say, "Emma, break a leg."
And I will answer, thank you.
Do not say good luck in the theater. Many actors think good luck is bad luck, so they say break a leg instead.
Another funny idiom is spill the beans.
Oh yes, spill the beans means tell a secret.
Right. Imagine you have a bag of beans, and if you spill it, all the beans come out. The same with secrets. When you spill them, everyone knows.
Example, Emma, I have a surprise for you, but don't spill the beans.
Oh, I want to tell everyone, but I will keep it secret. Here is another one. Piece of cake.
Cake. That sounds delicious.
Yes, but a piece of cake doesn't only mean food. In idioms, it means something very easy.
For example, the test was a piece of cake. That means the test was easy.
Exactly. Listeners, try to say, learning English is a piece of cake.
Well, sometimes it is not a piece of cake, but if you practice, it gets easier.
Another common one is under the weather.
Yes, this means feeling sick or not well.
If I say, I am under the weather, it means I feel sick, maybe I have a cold.
Do you use it, Emma?
Yes, if I feel tired and sick, I can say, "Sorry, I can't come today. I am under the weather."
Now, Emma, let's talk about a strange one. When pigs fly.
Yes, pigs cannot fly. So this means something impossible, something that will never happen. For example, if Ben says, "Emma, one day I will become a king."
And Emma can say, yes, when pigs fly.
Exactly. It's a funny way to say that will never happen. Here's another idiom. Cost an arm and a leg.
Ooh, that sounds painful.
Yes, but it doesn't mean you really lose an arm or a leg. It means something very expensive.
For example, this phone cost me an arm and a leg. That means the phone was very expensive.
Right. You can also say that house costs an arm and a leg. Now let's explain hit the sack.
Yes, hit the sack means go to bed, go to sleep.
For example, after a long day, I can say, "I am tired. I will hit the sack."
Listeners, repeat after us. I will hit the sack.
Perfect. Now let's do one more. Bite the bullet.
Oh, yes. This means to do something difficult or unpleasant that you don't want to do, but you must do it.
For example, if I don't like going to the dentist, but I must go, I will say, "I have to bite the bullet and go to the dentist."
Right. It's about being brave and facing something hard.
Wow, we have learned so many idioms today.
Yes, let's quickly review them. It's raining cats and dogs means raining a lot. Break a leg means good luck. Spill the beans means tell a secret. Piece of cake means something easy. Under the weather means feeling sick. When pigs fly means never, impossible. Cost an arm and a leg means very expensive. Hit the sack means go to bed. Bite the bullet means do something difficult.
Wow, very good, Ben.
And very good listeners.
Friends, thank you so much for listening to our podcast today.
Yes, we hope you learned some new idioms and had fun with us.
Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you enjoyed it.
That way you can get more fun English lessons every week.
Thank you again. We love spending time with you.
See you next time, friends.
Goodbye.